in a bottle. For our tools, we need 2 empty bottles, funnel, water, scissors, tape, and to make it more visible, I will add glitters. And now, this is how to do it. Step 1. Pour the water in the bottle by using a funnel. Step 2. Add the glitters. Step 3. Put the other bottle on the top of the first bottle. Step 4. Put them together using a tape. And now we are ready to test our experiment. Rotate and swirl. It's quite amazing and fun! I hope you enjoyed watching.